How to delete your Yahoo account permanently. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete your Yahoo account permanently. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up a web browser or simply head over to yahoo.com. After you're on Yahoo, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, if you do not know if you're logged in or not, on the top right corner, just hover over to the profile icon and there you should be able to see your username and email. After you're signed in, again head over to the top left side and then hover and you should find a manage your account option. Tap on manage your account, and after you tap on manage your account, this page will open up. Now under here, you will need to head over to the privacy controls and it's right above here. Tap on privacy control and it will redirect you to another page. After you're there, you will see a lot of different options such as your ads, your search and chat informations, and your informations. So head over to manage your information section and under there you will find delete your Yahoo account option. Tap on delete your Yahoo account, and after you do that, you will need to just read through this, and after you read through this and if you're still sure you want to delete your account, simply tap on continue delete my account. And now what you'll need to do is enter your email address and just tap on yes, delete this account, and go through with the process and your account will get deleted. Now I will not enter my email address and tap on this because I do not want to delete my Yahoo account. So if you guys want to do that, simply type in your email address here and go through with this process. And yeah, that is basically how you delete your yahoo.com's account permanently. And that is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.